right now at Hank's Deli of sorts with this beautiful, massive dough that's going to turn into beautiful little bagels. Excited about this episode. Can't wait to hear what you guys think. Today we're going to go into Hank's. It's right behind me there, here on Ventura Boulevard in Sherman Oaks. We're going to go through their shop with their owner Trevor. We're going to learn how to make some bagels. We're going to assemble a sandwich, and we're going to eat, and I can't wait.
My name is Trevor. This is Hank's Bagels. We're shaping some bagels for tomorrow right now. This is dough we mixed earlier today, and then tomorrow morning this will get baked, boiled and baked, and those will be our bagels for tomorrow.
And this is your second location. You're originally in Burbank.
Oh yeah. We started in Burbank. We used to make everything there. It was a very small space, and so we needed a bigger kitchen, and so now here we are. And we're trying to make enough still here. We opened over there in November of 2019. We moved in here in November of 2020, and just keep going, trying to see what comes next. All of our bagels start with natural starter, sourdough starter, and then
wow, that's just alive bubbling.
yeah, it's alive for sure. This goes into the dough that we make today. We made this, we fed this starter yesterday, and today this will go into the dough, and then tomorrow that dough will get boiled and baked, and those are our bagels. And then today we'll feed this to make more starter for the dough tomorrow. It's a constant cycle. It's a 3-day cycle for the.
Wow. Oh. I just want to jump in there.
So what we've been doing is we'll just pick up the ring of dough and kind of twist it out a little bit to reinforce the hole.
Oh, okay.
Just like that. Yeah.
All right, I'll give it a shot.
Yep.
Ooh.
Yeah, just reinforce
Like that?
the shape. Yep, that's perfect.
Oh.
And you just put it on the tray.
What is this process called?
Shaping. Just simple shaping. Yep. That's it.
I helped shaping bagels at Hank's. We got our bagels. Okay, so this is, it's massive. This is the turkey and cheese bagel. They recommended to get this one with the rosemary bagel, which sounds amazing. Rosemary and turkey is just such a great combination. That stretch of the dough, it just shows how fresh and moist it is, but You got that beautiful crust on the outside like they were talking about. The amount of moisture or water they put into the bagel makes that beautiful crust. Here, if you get close, you'll see. And of course, boiling the bagel before baking it contributes to that skin on the outside, but airy, soft dough on the inside. I mean, the bagel is beautiful by itself, but their sandwiches are just so bomb because the produce is fresh, the cheese, the meat, it's all good quality. I really like what they do with their flavors, with the vinaigrette as a base to the sandwich, then the aioli, then the toppings. Combined makes it so flavorful. It's amazing. And we're ready to try the other sandwich, the number 2. This is a favorite among the customers. It's one of my favorites. It's got a beautiful egg, collard greens, aioli, and some spicy pickles and Gruyere cheese, which is so flavorful. I got it on the everything bagel. It's recommended to have it with either just the plain with salt bagel or the everything. I really like it when you have all kinds of different flavors there, so I went with the everything. The yolk is runny, just perfect. And that Gruyere just gives it gives it a stronger flavor than any other cheese would have. This is a messy sandwich, but you know, messy is good. I mean, you have to expect to get messy, but it's so good. It's got a real kick to it with the spicy pickles, but I like spicy, so I really like this one. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscription button and hit the bell button too so you get notifications for upcoming videos. I hope you like this one. If you do, please let me know down in the comments below.